Welcome to Immunity Warriors by Sandeep Dangi. We are here with yet another episode on immunity.
Hello friends, in my last video I had explained about the mechanism of infection of coronavirus, how it enters our lungs and the reaction of our immune system to it. If you missed the video, you can see it on my Facebook page or YouTube channel, Be an Immunity Warrior. Today, I'll be sharing with you the latest research on coronavirus and how we expect it to help in improving treatment in the future. Whenever a cell is infected by a pathogen, it sends out chemical signals to immune system to come and fight the pathogen. It is like an SOS to immune system. Secondly, it also releases proteins called interferons which land on neighboring cells and asks these cells to enter a defensive mode. Under this defensive mode, these neighboring cells slow down their metabolism and stop the transport of proteins and other molecules inside their interiors. This slowdown in metabolism makes it difficult for the virus to hijack the cell processes and create more and more virus copies. Unfortunately, researchers found that SARS-CoV-2, the coronavirus, blocks the interference signal from reaching the neighboring cells. So, these cells are completely unaware and can't enter the defensive mode. Whenever you are infected by the coronavirus, it is easily able to make more and more copies of itself and keeps infecting greater number of neighboring cells. Result is, the disease can't be slowed down. The immune system responds to this by sending more of its army to fight the virus. Increase in the army creates a cytokine storm in our lungs. Cytokines create uncontrollable inflammation in our lungs. The blood and other fluids start to leak and accumulate in lung sacs called alveoli. The patient is now under acute respiratory distress. He can't breathe anymore. Now, for some good news that latest research has found. It has been shown conclusively that due to the infection, antibodies are formed in immune system to fight SARS-CoV-2 virus. These antibodies are responsible for protection from reinfection. It has also been found in the research on cured patients that these antibodies stay in the body for a long time. This is another good news as it means that the immunity acquired from either direct infection or by vaccination will last for a long time. Evidence and research on older viruses of corona family, that is SARS-1 and MERS, also suggests that some level of antibody immunity persists for at least 2 to 3 years for them. Thus, we can now be sure that the world can control the further spread of virus effectively by vaccines as and when they become available. Another good news to share, friends, you must have heard of the plasma therapy, which has been successfully used to treat critically ill patients. Plasma, which is containing antibodies, is collected by separating from the donated blood. It can be injected in the severely ill patient's body for treatment. The antibodies present in the plasma immediately start working and begin targeting and fighting the virus present in the patient's body. Results of a recent study done on patients at Houston Methodist Hospital of USA has confirmed the efficacy of the plasma therapy on critically ill patients with a 76% success rate, which is a great news in fighting the virus. The war against coronavirus is being fought all over the world. All the research and studies show that until a proper vaccine is created, our immunity is the best weapon against this virus. So, please keep taking care of your immunity. This is Sandeep Dangi, the author of Be an Immunity Warrior, signing off for now. But before I sign off, I want to share the good news that the paperback version of Be an Immunity Warrior is now available on the website of my publisher, Notion Press. You can enter the code FRIENDS to get a substantial discount also on its MRP of Rs 250. The virus is not going away anytime soon. Until then, please protect yourself and stay safe. Till we meet again, keep sharing, keep caring. Thank you. Bye.